Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find working Doordash promo codes. So you simply need to copy onto the Google Doordash promo codes, and here you can see different websites. So I'm going to open this one. So here you can see that it is latest update, and here you can see that you can see how long it is the valid, and click on show coupon. And here you can see you simply need to copy that, and here you can see the valid date as well. So here you can see with all codes you can find the valid date, and you can use that code until that date, and after that date that code will be not available to use. So this is the process by which you can find working DoorDash promo codes. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.